So in this video, I'm gonna ask a 13 years old on how to make money in 2026. So what's your name, sir?
My name is Akbar Arshad.
And how old are you?
I'm 13.
So Akbar Arshad, if you had $0 right now and had to make money this week, what is your first move?
It depends. If I was good at video games, I would probably do a tournament or something like that to make $100 or something. But if that's not possible, I would start a lemonade stand during the summer in my...
That's a really good idea. A lemonade stand in the summer?
Yeah.
So how much would you say you would make in one day with a lemonade stand?
My friend told me he made $60. I think I would make around like 40.
$40? Why lower than your friends?
I don't know. He did it in a good spot. You know, he knows where to.
You have a good neighborhood. Why don't you just start one?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I just don't feel like it.
You don't feel like it. Guys, this is a final answer. Kids these days don't feel like doing anything. Number 2, what would you say is the easiest way to make money?
Easiest way to make money. I don't know. I forgot. Oh, you could do DoorDash if you have a car or something. Use the DoorDash app and then maybe do it a lot of times a week, and you could make a pretty good income.
So now you have a business. You're gonna start a lemonade stand. What would you say is a pricing range for it?
I'll have normal lemonade and pink lemonade.
Okay.
I would make them both probably... It depends on the size of the cup. If it's like this big, like a normal big cup, it would be probably like $5.
$5 for a lemonade? I'll just make it at home, guys. But there you go, guys. A 13-year-old came up with a business idea in 3 minutes. Can you believe that? Don't worry, boy. I'll buy you some V-Bucks.
I don't play Fortnite.
What do you play then?
I play Apex.
Okay, so you said you would sell $5 per cup of lemonade. How many customers would you need for one day?
Well, it depends what my goal is to get. If my goal is $50, I would need 10 customers.
Okay, what would your second business idea be?
My second business idea, it would be probably starting a YouTube channel.
Oh, YouTube channel! That's such a good idea. I would recommend that. What kind of videos would you make?
Well, I would mainly do gaming videos, like for Apex Legends, or try out new games and story games. I would do videos on story games, stuff like that.
And this kid is smart, guys. Be like him. His name is Akbar Arshad. Please give some clapping for Akbar Arshad.